You're making good progress in your journey to becoming a data analyst. You've learned how to transform data by using Power Query and have worked on data sets. Now it's time to learn how to combine different data sources so you can use it more effectively. The capability to combine queries is valuable as it empowers you to combine and merge diverse tables or queries, enhancing your data analysis capabilities. In the next few minutes, you will be introduced to why combining data may be necessary and how you can combine tables or queries. AdventureWorks have recently acquired another bicycle business. AdventureWorks CEO, Jamie Lee, has assigned a task to the sales department to ensure that sales data from this business is incorporated in the AdventureWorks sales reports. Your manager, Adio Quinn, has tasked you with creating a Power BI query that merges the data. But before you start working on the data, you first need to understand the reasons why it is important to combine data. The first reason for combining data is that it allows you to consolidate information from various sources or tables into a single table. This consolidation can provide a unified view of the data, making it easier to analyze and gain insights. The next reason why you would combine tables is to create relationships. Combining tables is crucial for establishing relationships between related data. In Power BI, relationships between tables are used to create meaningful visualizations and enable interactive analysis. By combining tables, you can link data points across different tables based on common fields or keys. Combining tables also enables you to enrich your data by adding additional information. For example, you may have a table with client details and another table with product information. By combining these tables, you can create a comprehensive data set that includes both client and product details, allowing for a more comprehensive analysis. Another reason to combine data is that it provides a broader scope for analysis. By merging multiple tables, you gain deeper insights by analyzing data from different angles. And lastly, combining tables helps simplify data management in Power BI. Instead of working with multiple separate tables, having a single consolidated table reduces complexity and makes it easier to handle data updates, refreshes, and maintenance tasks. Now that you understand the reasons why it is important to combine data, let's look at the ways to do it. In Power BI, there are two ways to combine data: append and merge. When you append queries, you are adding rows of one table or query to another table or query. By adding multiple lists one below the other, you will see an increase in the number of rows. Say, for instance, you have two separate classes, Class A and Class B, that need to take an exam together. To do this, you have to combine the 20 students in Class A with the 20 students in Class B, resulting in a combined class list of 40 students. On the other hand, when merging queries, you consolidate data from multiple tables into a single entity by leveraging a shared column between the tables. For example, data with specific content such as gender, category, and city is stored in different independent tables and referenced by main tables that require this information. This allows you to use this information within a specific context, enables easy data classification, and ensures data integrity. You will learn more about both of these operations over the coming lessons. In this video, you learned about data combination techniques and the reasons for using it. Combining data in Power BI is essential for creating accurate, comprehensive, and interactive reports and visualizations. It allows you to leverage the full potential of your data by consolidating relevant information from multiple sources, establishing relationships, and enabling more insightful analysis. Good job.